and today in this video I am going to show you step by step how to check your order on Alibaba. This is very easy. Let's jump right in. Before starting this video, please subscribe to my channel. First of all, you have to open your Alibaba app in your device if you are using Android or iOS. After that, you have to tap on My Alibaba in the right bottom. When you click on this, now here you will see an option. Here you will see an option in the front of my order. You have to tap on this my order option. When you click on this, here you can see your all order. Here you can see your all order, your confirming order, or your unpaid order, or repairing to ship order, or delivering order, and all your order management on this section. In this way you can check your all orders in manage order option. If you like this video, if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next interesting video. Thank you.